Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So you must have seen this type of reels in your Instagram. So this is going viral in Instagram, and if you will upload this reel, definitely you will get a lots of views. So how to edit this type of video, I will show you in my mobile screen in a very simple way. You just have to follow the steps that I am explaining you in my mobile screen. So we will edit in this application, that is InShot. You can use any editing application. So you have to open this application, and I will go and select the video. I will click on new. So first I will select a photo. So, and the second is uh, this video I am selecting. Then I will click on tick. So I will adjust my photo. So here click on Canva if it is not on the full screen. So I will click on Canva and I will select a reel format. Okay, now I will adjust, drag this, and I will keep it in a full screen. Okay, so here the first part you have to keep it for 3 seconds, exactly 3 seconds, and the second one keep as it is. So how you will get this second part, I will tell you. Mark is removed. So come to the first one and click on text, and you have to add a text here. Like this is a text I am adding. हम दोनों को मिलाने में किसका हाथ है. So place wherever you want, and you can use the font whatever you want, this background, whatever you can play with this, and click on tick. So the first 3 seconds this photo and this, and you have to save. So here you can see the video is saved. So here you can see the video is saved in my phone gallery. Now I will open Instagram. You can open my this profile and you can select any templates you want. You can download it, or if you want you can message me. I will directly send you the second part of the video. Now I will use that audio in my this video, and the text was already added. Click on next, and you can select the cover picture as you want to keep, either your photo or a god video kind. So once it is selected, you can add a caption and you are ready to post. I will add the clip link in my video description. You can get it from there, or you can message me here in my Instagram profile. Just write send me a clip. Don't just type hi and send it to me. Just write send me a video. I will directly send you the video in your Instagram message within an hour. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.